Hi guys, so good evening, welcome back to my magical world. It's 23:23. Yeah, and the evening right now, and it's August 4, 2024, Sunday. So I hope you are all rested, well rested today. Kasi, they say it's family day, family time. Sabi nila when it's Sunday. So, don't know guys. Kayo, if you have that kind of thing. So, let's start. We are going to read page 9 and 10 of the book Mastery. So, run through lang natin yung week. It was, as usual, fast. And, feeling ko yung work ko is like, so I don't know if you know when you kind of like started a work and it's not that busy because you are kind of like doing it kind of like observing and all of those things, and then suddenly you kind of like take over it. So sobrang busy na guys. So sometimes hindi ko alam how I'm going to slow the time, which we cannot do it right now pa. Okay, so I'm just doing what we're supposed to do on a daily basis, but I'm positive. I'm really positive that things are changing. So I'm excited, medyo excited ako for the upcoming months, days, and weeks. So, ayan. So, how are you, my viewers? Sabi nila, ghost month daw ngayon, which is, yung sister ko yung nagsabi nun sa akin. I'm not really aware of that August thing. So, iwasan mo yung mag-resign from work and to do the things that are inappropriate siguro for this month kasi it's not actually good, something like that. So, just be careful guys kasi medyo mainitin yung ulo ng mga tao ngayon. I've noticed that, and pero so far naman, wala pa naman sa akin may approach na ganon kalala. So, yun. I just wanted to remind you to be very careful on who you allow in your life. Just people in general. Kasi, paano ba? Yung deceit, some people are so good at like deceiving other people or like manipulating or brainwashing or all of those sort of things. That's why I'm here to remind you to be very careful on how you invest your money, your basically your asset. Alam niyo yun guys, yung mga bagay na gives you the things that gives you stability, to really be careful of it when you are telling it to other people or trying to invest to other people or businesses. So of that kind of kasi ang daming hindi mapagkakatiwalaan nowadays. So maliit na reminder lang. It's just a reminder guys, okay? So again, we're reading page 9 and 10. Yan. Let's start na. I kinda like my look right now. So I think it's good yung ganitong makeup. So for animals, time is their great enemy. Guys, you listen up kasi kailangan kapag nagbabasa tayo, hindi na natin babalikan yung past. Move forward tayo always. Okay? So, if you wanted to, paano ba, makasunod, or kahit hindi naman, basta, when you're watching my videos, be fully present. Okay? Kahit yun na lang, kahit hindi niyo panoorin yung pagmumukha ko. Okay? Kahit yung boses ko lang. For the kids also. So, okay, going back. So, ayan. So, make sure to listen up. Dali. So, for animals, time is their great enemy. If they are potential prey, wandering too long in a space can spell instant death. If they are predators, waiting too long will only mean the escape of their prey. Sinisipon pa din ako, guys. But I'm feeling better. So, time for them also represents physical decay. To a remarkable extent, our hunting ancestors reverse this process. The longer they spent observing something, the deeper their understanding and connection to reality. With experience, their hunting skills would progress. With continued practice, their ability to make effective tools would improve. The body could decay, but the mind would continue to learn and adapt. Using time for such effort is the essential ingredient of mastery. In fact, we can say that this revolutionary relationship to time fundamentally altered the human mind itself and gave it a particular quality or grain. When we take our time and focus in depth, when we trust that going through a process of months or years will bring us mastery, we work with the grain of the marvelous instrument that developed over so many millions of years. So again, practice makes perfect, but nobody is perfect. Pero for sure, guys, when you keep on practicing, there's what you call mastery. So ito na nga yan. So keep that faith, whether you really want to pursue something, sports, business, if you want to be a tycoon or something like that. So it's all about practice, focus, and yeah, you really have to have that strength to pursue what your hearts desire. Okay? So hindi yung mababurnout ka. You can be burnout, but you can always rise again. Again, practice. Habang buhay kayo, guys, kasi syempre, we have to do everything now that we are alive. Except me, I'm immortal din. Just kidding, guys. So, ayan, humans in general. So, let's go back. So, we work with the grain of marvelous instrument that developed over so many millions of years. We infallibly move to higher and higher levels of intelligence. We see more deeply and realistically. We practice and make things with skill. We learn to think for ourselves. We become capable of handling complex situations without being overwhelmed. And following these paths, we became Homo Magister, man or woman, the master. So, this is a really popular movie, yung Twilight, diba? Si Carlisle, yung vampire na doctor, diba? He is doing a shit of practice stunts and doing repetitive things, diba? Over the years, diba? So, yung dun sa movie, or I don't know, even the book, pero I haven't read yung part 1 lang. Part 1 lang yung nabasa ko, actually. So, yung kay Carlisle, diba, na master niya yung handling blood, human blood, diba, kahit vampire siya. Kasi through practice and all, discipline, matinding discipline over the years. Kasi you cannot do it naman. Hindi ka naman magiging perfect, or not really perfect, master of a piece or profession, 'di ba, in a day. So again, it takes time. And that's the beauty of being like a human, kasi you will undergo many things before you reach that stage, and when you reach that stage, meron talagang satisfactory. It's a self-satisfactory that you made it by yourself. Okay, so may dun joy of fulfillment when you reach those kind of highs of life. Kasi mo yun goal. If you have a goal like that, I'm just saying, going back na tayo dito. So, to the extent that we believe we can skip steps, avoid the process, magically gain power through political connections or easy formulas, or depend on our natural talents, we move against the grain and reverse our natural powers. So, yung taking shortcuts is not really okay. Iba pa din talaga yung you work hard for it. Kasi, yung may manifestation shit thing na you can have instant shit. Pero there are also people that are having good, parang yung values nila is based on hard work, on how hard they work. And syempre, yung in return on is like for longer years, kasi it was parang hindi siya na built in one day, 'di ba? May quotes doon yung parang paano ba? Parang the Rome is not built in one day, something like that, guys. Alalahanin nyo na lang matatalino naman tong mga viewers ko. So, I'm pretty sure. Basta, yun na yun, guys, okay? Huwag nyo na ako pag-isipin ngayon kasi hindi pa ako fully recovered, but I'm on the way there. Tas lumabas pa ako kanina. So, actually, araw-araw tayo nasa labas. 'Di ba? Sobrang busy natin. So, we become slaves to time. As it passes, we grow weaker, less capable, trapped in some dead-end career. We become captive to the opinions and fears of others rather than the mind connecting us to reality. We become disconnected and locked in a narrow chamber of thought. The human that depended on focused attention for its survival now becomes the distracted, scanning animal, unable to think in depth, yet unable to depend on instincts. Okay, so I hope yung mga viewers ko right now will not end on a dead-end career. All of you guys that are watching. Kasi, ang hirap nung ganun. I have seen many people, like, they still pursue those kind of jobs, even though it doesn't give them joy or satisfaction. For the sake of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1,000 excuses. So, ako naman, I'll be supporting you as long as you are happy. But syempre, if nakikita ko kasi that someone or is not happy, syempre hindi siya maganda sa feeling. May isa-segue ako sa inyo, guys. Ichikahin ko muna kayo pala. So, dali. Wait lang. Lilinyan ko lang tong buko. Wait lang. So, chikahin ko lang kayo. So, medyo nasad lang ako ng a little bit kanina kasi I was eating outside. So, I have seen, I'm gonna speak in English pero mas maganda sana akong Tagalog para mas maintindihan. Pero anyways, for all of you to understand, so I was eating a while ago, tapos, and then I saw this guy. The guy he's not good looking. Sige, he's not good looking at all. Speaking from, facts. And I don't know if they are together or maybe he's dating this girl. And I was like, this girl is not actually pretty, but for me, she is okay. I mean, the girl, that the guy is maybe dating. So this girl is having like an attitude kasi uh, while they are um, eating. So naano lang ako nun, parang what the hell, diba, if you don't like the guy that you are dating, or like if you don't like to come with the guy, just don't come with them, right? So out of respect to the guy. So kasi I have noticed that upon their looking, diba, I told you that I can read scenarios, people outside. Although I don't want to focus my attention on them a while ago, I can't help it. So it caught my attention. So this guy was like, I'm pretty sure that he's feeling bad. I don't know, maybe he cannot give what the girl wants. So, and I really believe that this girl is a little bit demanding. So, based on how she reacts. So, I know it's not my life naman. I shouldn't get involved. But, right. So, I just want to say that to all the women, if you don't like who you are dating, just don't date them. Or don't come with them. Okay? Don't be friends with them. So, just let them live life peacefully. The guy. So, for the guy, if they really don't like the guy at all. So, there are we understanding, guys? Bahala kayo, guys. Basta yun, nakwento ko lang. So, naloka lang ako kasi, yun nga, hindi siya parang, it's not, hindi siya, decent date. So, I don't know, siyempre, sino ba naman ako? Baka naman ako lang nagki-create ng scenario na to for them. Pero, kasi, basta guys, hindi siya, upon seeing what I saw. So, tas medyo pa to siguro, sobrang niyan, ma-attitude talaga towards dun sa guy. Kasi yung guy, hindi naman masyadong gwapuhan. He's not even an okay. When I can rate him, siguro, honestly speaking, pag i-rate ko siya, siguro, maybe 2 out of 10. So, yun, 10 will be the highest. So, basta, nakakalungkot na, there are women that are, if you don't like the guy, basta, don't take advantage of them. Okay? So, sorry for that. Let's go back. Meaning, okay? Going back, guys. Nag-advertisement lang tayo. So, it is the height of stupidity to believe that in the course of your short life, your few decades of consciousness, you can somehow rewire the configurations of your brain through technology and wishful thinking, overcoming the effect of 6 million years of development. To go against the grain might bring temporary distraction, but time will mercilessly expose your weakness and impatience. So, yun na nga, yung taking shortcuts. At the end of the day, may mga bagay ka that you didn't, parang nag-skip ka sa procedure. So, hindi mo siya ma-reach. Okay? Yung ganun na satisfaction. So the great salvation for all of us is what we have inherited, an instrument that is remarkably plastic. Our hunter-gatherer ancestors over the course of time managed to craft the brain into its present shape by creating a culture that could learn, change, and adapt to circumstances, that wasn't a prisoner to the incredibly slow march of natural evolution. So was modern, let's turn the page. As modern individuals, our brain have the same power and same plasticity At any moment, we can choose to shift our relationship to time and work with a grain, knowing of its existence and power. With the element of time working for us, we can reverse the bad habits and positivity and move up to ladder of intelligence. We have to strive for intelligence, guys, every single day. Kapag may hindi ka alam, you research for it, you take a look at it, have different kind of perspective, take information from other people, but filter. So, kapag may hindi ka masyadong alam, when you wanted to know something, whatever, context, whatever topic, okay? Think of this shift as a return to your radical deep past as a human, connecting to and maintaining a magnificent continuity with your hunter-gatherer ancestors in a modern form. The environment we operate in may be different, but the brain is essentially the same, and its power to learn, adapt, and master time is universal. We have a keys to mastery. A man should learn to detect and watch the gleam of light which flashes across his mind from within, more than the luster of the firmament of bards and sages. Yet he dismisses without notice his thought because it is his. In every work of genius, we recognize our own rejected thoughts. They come back to us with a certain alienated majesty. So that was from Ralph Waldo Emerson. Hello Ralph. Mamaya nyo na sa other world na to. Or other dimension. Tapos, ito na lang yung work of, legacy. I don't know, guys. Search nyo na lang. Baka buhay pa naman. So, if all of us are born with an essentially similar brain, I'll repeat, okay? So, if all of us are born with an essentially similar brain with more or less than same configuration and potential for mastery, why is it then that in history only a limited number of people seem to truly excel and realize these potential power? So, di ba? Tagalog ko lang. Pag may yung capacity, di ba? Parang same lang naman yung pinanggalingan natin, pero pat konti lang yung nag-excel. Ganon. So, certainly, in a practical sense, this is most important question for us to answer. Which is, basahin natin para malaman natin yung sagot, guys. So, the common explanation for a Mozart or a Leonardo da Vinci revolve around natural talent and brilliance. How else to account for their uncanny achievements except in terms of something they were born with? But thousands upon thousands of children display exceptional skill and talent in some field, yet relatively few of them ever amount to anything, whereas those who are less brilliant in their youth can often attain much more. So, hindi talaga basis yung kabataan na they excel. Iba-iba talaga how you are going to carve your path to your own brilliance. I mean, to your own passion. Ganun. Hindi ka magaling ng bata, tas wala ka ng capacity. Hindi, iba-iba talaga, guys. Depende talaga on how you will handle yourself. Okay? So, yet relatively few of them were us. Medyo palubat na siya. Wait lang, guys, ha? So, but thousands upon thousands of children display exceptional skill and talent in some field, yet relatively few of them ever amount to anything, whereas those who are less brilliant in their youth can often attain much more. Natural talent or a high IQ cannot explain future achievement. Ulitin nyo yun, basahin. Pakinggan pala. So, as a classic example, compare the lives of Sir Francis Galton and his older cousin Charles Darwin. By all accounts, Galton was a super genius with an exceptionally high IQ. Quite a bit higher than Darwin's. These are estimates done by experts years after the invention of the measurement. Galton was a boy wonder who went on to have an illustrious scientific career, but he never quite mastered any of the fields he went into. So, yun, si Galton yun. So, he was notoriously restless, as is often the case with child prodigies. Darwin, by contrast, is rightly celebrated as the superior scientist, one of the few who has forever changed our view of life. Okay? So, marami si Darwin nagawa. Sikat siya, di ba? So, nasa book siya na natin. Nasa mga scientific book siya natin. Science book. You will heard Darwin from elementary to your tertiary school. Okay, so natapos na natin siya, guys. Parang ano na yung bugbog na yung buko kagad, ilang araw pa lang. So lagi ko kasi siyang dala. Anyways, that's what I'm saying. Hindi porke ano ba yun, mataas yung IQ mo, ganun, ikaw na yung mag-excel sa life. Okay, sometimes it's how you parang how you will do your thing. You have all the tools, but it's how you're gonna make magic out of it. Okay? You all have the tools. Pare-parehas tayo. We have the same privileges. Somehow, kasi nabuhay na tayo ngayon sa technology. Eto, hindi naman pala tayo nabuhay. Right now, you and I are talking, diba? So, yung technology now is, you can utilize it however you want it. Diba? So, use it wisely. Okay? So, and for good. For the good of many. Kasi, pwede naman to mas maraming gumagamit nito sa kasamaan. So, doon tayo sa, sa mahirap gawin. Kasi, diba, mas madaling gumawa ng masama. It's easy. It's just, diba, madaling, so, mahirap gumawa ng mabuti. So, dun tayo sa mahirap. Okay? So, ayan na. Tama na yung kachecher, boreche natin ngayon. Dami natin chika. Okay. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you for helping me make this world a better place for all of us and for the future generation. One day na later. So, I hope kayanin nyo yan, guys. Kaya nyo yan, guys. Okay? Sige na. I will see you again and good night.